Welcome back, friends. We are learning Jquery, the complete course of Jquery by Abdulwahid, and in this class we are going to discuss about downloading and implementing Jquery. So at the first we are going to download Jquery from the Jquery website. So after downloading we will just learn how we can implement. So at first you need to open your browser, any browser you are using, like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Opera, any browser. Just go to your browser and write here Jquery and press Ctrl plus Enter from your keyboard. Just in a few seconds we will be redirect on the Jquery website. So till the time it is loading, we are just going to on the desktop and right click, create a new folder by the name of, we are just saying Jquery project. This is the folder and Jquery project is the folder name. And you can see we are here on jquery.com website, and from here you can download the latest version of Jquery. Just click here and you can see download the compressed production Jquery 3.2.1 and download the uncompressed. So I'm just going to open these two files. This one is compressed one, this one is uncompressed. So both of them are just working correctly, and this one is uncompressed. You can see the style. So there is only some different in style on setting these files. You can see this one is a compressed one and this one is uncompressed. So here they have used some for example some commands. They have used some space here just to give some style for this page, and here they have not used, for example, command space. This page is without formatting and this page is just with formatting. So anyway, I'm just I just show you the difference between these two web pages, compressed one and uncompressed one. So we are just going to use this uncompressed one. Just right click on this and save link, and you can just say the location, desktop, this folder we have created, Jquery project. Just go inside this and you can give a name for this, Jquery, Jquery, and you can just you can see the type of file is JavaScript file. You can save from here inside the Jquery project folder. So just click save, and now our file is saved on the on the desktop inside the Jquery project folder. So you can see this is the file, and we are just going to use Notepad++ as a software. And for downloading Notepad++, just again go to your browser and open just Google, and just in a few seconds, it is very easy. Just go to your browser and you can just write here Notepad++, and you can download this, you can install. So I have this on my computer, so this Notepad++ and this Notepad++. So we are using this software as a code editor. So it is very easy. I am just saying it is very easy to download and install. Just go to any browser, write Notepad++, and you can download, and you can just click next and OK to install. So here we are just going to insert the basic text of HTML. So and HTML tag start, HTML tag close. Inside HTML we have head tag, head start and head close. Inside the head tag you have title tag, title close. After the head tag we have body tag, body start and body close. So here I am just giving the complete course of Jquery. Complete course of Jquery is the title, and just you can save from here also. To click on this button or just go to file menu and you can save from here also. Save on this, and you can just press Ctrl+S from your keyboard also to save this. on the desktop inside the Jquery project folder. So we are just giving this index.html the name. Index is the name, .html is the extension, and save this because it is a HTML file. So now we have just downloaded the Jquery file here, we can see, and it is inside the same folder, Jquery project folder, which is located on the desktop here. And we have just created another file by the name of index.html. It is also in the same folder. You can just double click to open. You can see the title, the complete course of Jquery. And now it is the time to implement your Jquery file inside your web page. So this is our web page, and you need to just come inside the head tag, open a script tag, open and close. One more time, you need to open. We need two script tag open and script tag close. So inside the first one, we are going to implement the Jquery file. You need to just give a space here, and after that src equal sign, double quotation or single quotation, no different, you can use any of them. So inside this double quotation, you need to give the name of your file if it is in the same folder. So if it is not in the same folder, you must give the name of folder first, and after that backslash, then your file name. For example, our file name is jquery.js is the type, but we don't need for this because our file is located in the same folder. It means inside the project Jquery project folder. So we are just going to remove this, and you can save. Just come here and refresh, no changes. So you can see we have successfully implement the file. So you can check for the name here. You can see the name is Jquery. You can just copy from here, also copy and come here. You can paste, Control V, it is the name, and you can check the type. So you can see type of file is JavaScript file, size is 261 KB, and date modified is 21/4/2018 and 1:58 AM. So it's the time. So the type of file is JavaScript. That is why we have written .js. JS means JavaScript, and you can just save from here. So inside this second script, we are going to write our Jquery code here inside this script, second script. So you can just say here, for example, nothing. In next class we will come back and we will just start coding from here. So till next class, just watch the video and try to just download and implement Jquery inside your web page. And have a nice time, and see you.